Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Topaz-like 4K quality using just your mobile phone. Yes, you heard that right. Stunning 4K results straight from your phone. But before we get started, let's set a small target. If this video hits 50 likes, I'll share my personal CC preset with you all. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude.